Oh hey, I didn't see I'm a little sick, to say the least. I'm pretty sure I have the flu or a cold or something of that nature. So as you can tell from the title of this video, it's either gonna say, I cut my own hair and it came out great, or it's gonna say, I failed at cutting my hair and it looks like a train wreck. At this point in my life, I don't know. I can't read the future. I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see if this turns out well or really terrible. I do want to preface this, if you have not already guessed it, I'm not a professional. I have zero idea of what I'm doing. Actually, I lied. I have cut my hair before, and we in my family like to call it the Mulan incident because I was watching Mulan, as you would assume. I was watching Mulan when I was younger. I don't know how old, like maybe 5 or 6, and I was inspired by her bravery in cutting her hair to look like a man so she can save China, and I said, I can do that. So I went into my mom's bag of her clippers and I just cut it all off, like up here, like a bowl cut, like a legit bowl cut, and my mom had to trim it even more to fix it. I'll insert a picture right here. Pretty cute, huh? I'm assuming I need to do this in layers. I don't know, we're just gonna wing it. So I wanted to do this. It was, again, slightly premeditated. And so I went on to Instagram and I was like, let me take a poll. The people know. And 53% people said no, I should not cut my hair. But that 47% is giving me hope. So I'm gonna do it anyway. Then of that 47%, 67% said I should just trim it and just cut off like this much and just trim it. While 33% said I should do it at shoulder length. Now, I'm no mathematician, but that 67% seems like I should do just a trim. However, I don't know if I want to do that. I'm going to trim it and I'm going to keep going if I feel like I want to, or if I mess up and I have to keep going shorter. So I'm just going to guess that I put this partially up. Okay. How do I want to do it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Right there, is that good? Okay. I'm doing it. Oh, I made a mistake. All these girls that I've been watching had like long ass hair so they could see, and I have short hair already so I can't see shit. I did it. I cut it. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. That looks fine, right? I don't know. I'm gonna go a little shorter. Am I too ambitious? We're gonna go a little shorter. Oh my god. Nathan doesn't even know I'm doing this. He's gonna come home for lunch and be like, what the actual hell are you doing? I'm gonna do it again, right? I'm gonna do it a little bit lower just in case I mess up. Oh my god, it's so short. Oh my god. I wanna take a moment to tell all my hairdresser friends, I'm sorry that you're witnessing this because I know that it's killing you inside. But it's just something I felt like I had to do, you know? Like, I could have gone to a salon, yes, but at the same time, this is so much more liberating. Like, I didn't know cutting my own hair would be this fun and detrimental to my physical appearance. I'm gonna look like Dora by the end of this. Oh my god, what kind of decisions have I made today? So I'm on the last layer now on this side, and then I have my bangs, but I'm gonna leave that for last because I'm terrified of doing something terrible to my bangs. So I've just been having a good old time, looking like Dora and living my best life. The part that I've been dreading because I'm so picky about my bangs. They grow really fast in comparison to all my other hair, like it keeps up. I mean, not all of that's my bangs, some of it is. These are my bangs right here, and they just grow so long and I don't understand why. What if I just kept it like this, like short on this side and like short underneath here, but this is one really long flap. Just, it's a style, don't worry about it. Let's try something. A little length on that side. I'm digging it, I'm liking it. And then as for my bangs, I want them to stay long, but I think I want to like, you know what I mean? Is that overly ambitious for myself right now? My name's Bree and I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Ooh, ooh. This already feels wrong. I feel like this is not a very good stance to be in when cutting your bangs. Oh, I look like my emo self, I love it. You know that part in Hercules when those, what are they called? The three, what are they called? The three somethings. And they're trying to cut like the lifeline of Hercules and the scissors just aren't working and she's like, what's wrong with these scissors? That's how I feel right now. I feel like this hair is trying to tell me that I'm a freaking demigod or something because it's not letting me cut it. I feel like Jesus is like, I'm trying to give you a hint. I'm trying to give you a sign. You don't want to do this. Trust, you already went far enough. Let me, ooh, I don't want to go that way. Something happened, I'm sure. It's slightly asymmetrical and I'm down for that. I'm gonna go in my bathroom and check on it and then I'm gonna straighten it and see how it looks and see what else needs to get fixed. Especially the back since I haven't really checked on that, but this is it so far. I'm kind of liking it. Ooh. 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 Let me just fix that. I think that's the asymmetrical part that I've been referring to. Let me go to the bathroom and just check. I'll check. Don't worry, I'll check. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. So I went ahead and straightened it. It all looked relatively even to me. The back, it seems okay from what I've seen. And then I went ahead and just made sure this side was a little bit more, I kind of like it. I don't know if you guys think that it just needs to be even, but I really like the fact that it's kind of like a little asymmetrical. But I think it came out really good. For me not cutting hair ever in my life before, aside from my Mulan incident, I think I've grown as a hairstylist, as an artist. It's seriously so cute. I love it so much. I feel like it's very light, and I kind of like that it's dark right now, but I will probably dye it a lighter color for summer and I think that'll be really cute too. But yeah, I really like it. Like, look, how cute is this? I love it. It's so adorable. Again, I'm not a professional. I just got lucky that it turned out okay and that I kind of saw everything. There's some longer bits still, but I don't care. It's gonna grow back. And at the end of the day, if you want to do something like this, I think you should just do it because it's just hair. Like, if you really want to, just do it because it's gonna grow back. It's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. And at the end of the day, if you really don't like it, you can always go to a salon, get it touched up, or just get some hair extensions and call it a day. I'm really happy that it turned out well. And if you guys liked this video, if you enjoyed watching me cut my hair and the whole process of it, please give it a thumbs up. To subscribe to my channel as well as click the notification bell so you can get notified when there's more content just like this. I'm not gonna cut my hair again anytime soon, so not just like this, but similar content. So if you're down for that, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment what you think of my hair, or if you think I totally fucked it up, just let me know. And I mean, either way, it's done. Can't do anything about it now. But thanks so much for watching anyway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!